Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to make money on crypto. So in this video I'll be using Binance, showing you how to make money. So if this kind of video you are looking forward to, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. You have to come to this end section over here. This is the first low risk investment. Remember, investing in crypto is kind of risk, and make sure you know what you are doing. Anything you watch in this video, take it as educational purpose. So if you want to stake a token to earn token, it's good to use this dot token over here, because this dot token is offering a good APY, and you have this option to lock your token for certain period of time and receive 16.99% APY. And you have other options over here. Once you are okay with this first option, first APY over here, you can press this APY and you see you have to fix your asset for 120 days for you to be able to receive this APY. And the more token you stake, the more big amount of reward you are going to receive. So right here, remember you are staking 1000 worth of dot token, that's polka dot token, and you can also stake 10, or you can also stake 100. So the more you stake, the more big reward you are going to receive. So let's say for instance you are staking 1000 of this coin, and you'll be receiving 55.56 reward of dot token, and this stock is being trading at around $5.60 or 62 cents. So if you be able to buy this 1000 of dot token around this price, you'll be paying $5,560. So receiving this reward, you just need to stance this asset. You just need to times the price of this token. You'll be getting roughly of $300 return on investment in this certain at the end of this period. Remember, this at the end of this end period, this token might go up in value, so you'll be earning more in dollar value. So take for instance, if this price stay over here without going up, going down, you're receiving this 55.56 worth of dot token, then you'll be getting $300 worth of in dollar value of this coin. Remember, if this token go up, maybe it is being selling at $10 or $20, so you'll be receiving more reward in dollar value, and your asset you stake also is going to go up in value. The same thing goes to this. If this token go down, your asset you stake is going to go down in value, and the rewards you want to receive also is going to go down in value. So make sure you know what you are doing, and after you agree with this kind of risk, you just have to press read and agree, press this, and you just have to press confirm. So that is the first way to make money with crypto on Binance, and I'm going to go back to show you the second way. The second way, you have to come to this more and navigate, scroll down and come to this launchpad right here. Binance offer token sales on this launchpad to sell token to people to buy at cheaper rate. So you'll be here to buy this token once Binance make this announcement. I always make video about this launchpad token, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to not miss any update on my channel. So right here, you'll be able to buy this token at 1 EDU coin to 0.00015 BNB. So around this price, you'll be getting at lower price, and I'm going to show you the difference in price right now. I'll go back and go to this search button and search this token. Right now I'm going to go to it, I will go with B&B pair. B&B pair, and show you the price right now. As you can see over here, it is being traded at 0.0041 worth of BRB per one. If you remember, this was sold at 0.00001528. So this price have go up in value. So as you can see this price chart over here, this is the price this token was sold at. The token says this price is trading above this level at this launch of this token. So people make money like 10x or 20x return on investment right here, as you can see. So that's the another second way people are making money with this launch part over here. And there is second way people are making money with launch pool. So this is the launch pool. Launch pool is something like Binance is going to launch a certain project on this launch pool for people to stake some specific token to earn a reward. So this SWI token was launched on this Binance launch pool. So you need to stake this BNB or TUSD pool to receive this token for free. So you just have to stake your asset and receive your token. So and receive a free token. So it depends on how much like you are the more token you stake, the more profit you will be getting, the more free token you'll be getting. And that is the second way to make money with crypto. And make sure you know the risk attached to investing in crypto. You know, your asset value can go up in value fastly and go down in value very fast. And that's third way to make money with crypto. And you can also come over here to this P2P trading. So right here, people are buying this BTC. If you want to buy, you buy at this rate, 29,000.33 $325. And right here, if you come to this sell option over here, the price is different. You see 29, this is 28. So they are willing, if you want to sell your BNB in this Binance P2P, they will buy it from you this price. And if anyone want to buy over here, it will be buying higher price. That's another way to make money with Binance. Being here, position yourself to buy low and sell high. So let me show you the last way to make money with crypto on Binance. You just have to come to this place over here and come to this referral. Because if you refer a lot of people, you'll be receiving a commission on what they are doing on their trading, and Binance will give you some bonus and your rewards. So you inviting people over here is going to earn you a lot of money. And I will leave this referral link in the video description. If you use my referral link, you are going to receive a welcome bonus, and me too, I'm going to receive and benefit on Binance. So you will receive this virtual and you will receive this bonus. So if you refer people to this Binance, so you don't need money to do this. You just have to have a group of people that are willing to create Binance account and use this Binance account, and you are going to receive money doing referring people to this Binance account. So that's the safest and reasonable way to make money on crypto with Binance. So if you have any other video you want me to talk about, or you want to share your opinion with me, I'm going to be in the comment section to respond to your comment, and let me know about any other video you want me to do. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn up your notification bell.